Hello, madam. Hello, boss. Yes, I'm not coming to work today. Yes, I'm going to Malawi. The government of Malawi has told us to go and make babies. Yes, they will be giving us money. Yes, so I want to go before this competition ends. Yes, they will give us money until the child reach 18 years. So I don't want to waste my time in your house. The money is at least. Yes, they will be giving us. So yeah, I want to do it. Yes, I will be leaving. I will be going to Malawi anytime. So I'm no longer coming and work there. Yes, I want to make money at home. Yeah, there's this other competition that I want to enter before it ends. Yes.